So this is how you can fix the Roblox mobile chat glitch. As you can see, I'm on Roblox right now, and let's say you're in this private message glitch, which happens to a lot of people. So you accidentally typed someone's name, and now you're permanently private messaging them. So how do you get rid of that? Well, it's actually pretty simple. You're gonna wanna go to this chat part where their name is purple. As you can see, I'm typing hi, the part where you can see hi, and before that is their username. You're gonna want to tap on their username, and as you can see, it disappears. Now, we are no longer stuck in the private message chat. There's also another chat glitch that I would like to teach you about. Sometimes you're trying to type something but it doesn't show. Well, that could mean that you are at the upper part of the chat, so all you have to do is scroll down the chat in order to see the newest chats. Because sometimes people get a bit clumsy and accidentally swipe up, and now their chat isn't going live, and basically everything's sending wrong. So simply swipe up so that you can see all of the chats that are being currently sent right now. And yeah, that's about it. Those are the only two glitches that I know of and that a lot of people are facing. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.